Ever wondered if you could dive into the vibrant world of neon on your trusty smartphone? Well, let's unravel that mystery together. Neon, the groundbreaking digital human platform, has taken the tech world by storm. Its ability to create hyper-realistic AI avatars has opened up a new era of digital interaction. But can this cutting-edge technology be enjoyed on the smaller screen of a phone? The challenge of mobile viewing. While Neon's AI avatars are designed to be visually stunning, their complexity might pose challenges when viewed on smaller mobile screens. Factors like intricate details, subtle facial expressions, and nuanced body language could potentially be lost in translation. Neon's mobile compatibility. To address this, Neon's developers have optimized their platform for various screen sizes, including smartphones. This means you can, in fact, watch Neon content on your phone. However, the optimal viewing experience might still be on larger screens like tablets or computers. Tips for optimal mobile viewing. High-quality screen. A phone with a high-resolution display can significantly enhance the viewing experience, ensuring that fine details aren't compromised. Stable internet connection. A strong and stable internet connection is crucial for smooth streaming and avoiding buffering issues. Proper lighting. Ensure you're watching Neon in a well-lit environment to fully appreciate the visual nuances. Use headphones. Headphones can provide a more immersive audio experience, allowing you to focus on the dialogue and sound effects. Consider screen size. While Neon can be viewed on smaller screens, larger phones or tablets might offer a more comfortable and detailed viewing experience. The future of mobile Neon. As technology continues to advance, we can expect further optimizations for mobile devices. Neon's developers are likely to explore innovative ways to deliver an even more immersive experience on smartphones, potentially leveraging features like augmented reality. So, can you watch Neon on a phone? The answer is a resounding yes. While the optimal experience might still be on larger screens, mobile viewing is certainly possible. By following these tips and keeping an eye on future developments, you can enjoy the captivating world of Neon, no matter where you are. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.